The Whisper Behind the Vow. Written by Esther Perel. She stands beside him, radiant in white, her smile a picture of happiness, but beneath the surface a whisper, a longing for something more. The secret cravings of married women, an invisible game played out in the shadows. Why, we ask, do some women, bound by love and commitment, seek attention elsewhere? The answers are complex, woven into the very fabric of their relationships. It's time to unravel the threads. Starved for affection, the silent cry for connection. Often, the reason lies not in a lack of love, but in a lack of emotional fulfillment. Husbands, preoccupied with work or life's demands, may unknowingly neglect the emotional needs of their wives, a longing for appreciation, for someone to notice them, to truly see them. This emotional hunger, left unaddressed, can drive a woman to seek validation outside the marriage. She isn't looking to replace her husband, but to fill a void he may not even realize exists. Imagine a garden left untended. The flowers, once vibrant, begin to wilt without proper care and attention. Similarly, a woman starved for affection may seek nourishment elsewhere, her emotional needs left parched in the arid landscape of a neglectful marriage. Beyond pain, the allure of power and affirmation. Sometimes the catalyst is not pain, but power. Marriage, in its traditional form, can leave women feeling unseen, their voices unheard. The attention of another man becomes a form of rebellion, a way to reclaim their agency. It's not necessarily about love, but about feeling desired, valued, and in control. The forbidden flirtation, the secret glances, they become a heady elixir, intoxicating in their affirmation of her desirability. Consider the woman who has spent years subsuming her own desires to those of her husband and family. The attention of another man becomes a mirror reflecting back a version of herself she had forgotten existed, strong, seductive, and desired. The forbidden fruit, where danger meets desire. The allure of the forbidden cannot be overstated. The thrill of secrecy, the adrenaline rush of crossing boundaries, it awakens something primal. It's a dangerous game, this dance with desire, but for some, the risk is part of the allure. The knowledge that this connection is wrong, forbidden, only serves to intensify the attraction. Imagine a moth drawn to a flickering flame. It knows the danger, the potential for annihilation, yet the pull is irresistible. Similarly, the forbidden nature of an extramarital flirtation can hold an irresistible allure, a dangerous dance between pleasure and pain. Red flags. Decoding the silent language of longing. How do we spot these silent cries for help? The signs are often subtle. A newfound interest in her appearance, a sudden surge in late nights at work, a detachment from the relationship. These are not accusations, but cries for help, disguised as changes in behavior. Pay attention to the silences, the averted gazes, the lack of enthusiasm for shared activities that were once a source of joy. These subtle shifts in behavior can be the canary in the coal mine, signaling deeper issues that require attention. The price of neglect when cracks become chasms. Ignoring these signs comes at a cost. The longer these needs remain unaddressed, the wider the chasm between husband and wife becomes. Resentment festers, intimacy dwindles, and the foundation of the marriage begins to crumble. What begins as a whisper of longing can escalate into a roar, threatening to shatter the very foundation of their lives together. Imagine a house slowly falling into disrepair. A leaky roof ignored, a foundation left to crumble. Neglect, like the elements, can erode even the strongest of bonds, leaving behind a shell of what once was. Bridging the gap, reigniting intimacy and trust. The situation is not hopeless. Open and honest communication is paramount. The husband needs to listen, truly hear his wife's needs, and be willing to work towards meeting them. Equally important is for the wife to articulate her needs, to express her desires and frustrations without fear of judgment. Imagine a garden overgrown with weeds. The task seems daunting, but with patience, care, and consistent effort, the weeds can be cleared, the soil nurtured, allowing love to blossom anew. The power of choice, navigating the crossroads. Ultimately, the decision lies with the woman. She must confront her own desires, her own vulnerabilities, and decide what she truly wants. Does she stay in the marriage and fight for the love they once shared? Or does she choose a different path, one that may lead her away from the life she once knew? Imagine a bird preparing to take flight. It may feel the pull of the familiar, the comfort of its nest, yet the instinct to soar, to explore the unknown, can be equally powerful. The courage to connect, rewriting your love story. The secret cravings of married women are not a condemnation of marriage, but a reflection of the complexities of human desire. They are a call to action, a plea for connection, for validation, for a love that truly nourishes the soul. It's a call to rewrite the narrative, to infuse the relationship with renewed passion, understanding, and a commitment to meeting each other's needs. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, the potential to rediscover love in its most authentic form, make it a journey worth taking. Imagine a tapestry, its threads woven together to create a beautiful, intricate design. Over time, some threads may loosen, colors may fade, but with care and attention the tapestry can be restored, its beauty enhanced by the passage of time. So too can a marriage be revitalized, its love story rewritten with honesty, vulnerability, and a shared commitment to keeping the flame of desire burning bright.